Beogradu volim žene, piće, rakije, šljiva. It's like my family, friendly and just easy and funny, and it's not hard. Well, I did that when I was in the camp all the time. Just for translate, for doctors, some organizations want to make interview or something like that, or some people, they just came to Belgrade to help them. In the camp, there was beautiful teacher. I went to class for her, not for the language. Ne ide pa stane. Zvezda sada na plus 9. Bravo. I'm working, I'm living, and everything is fine. It's just I need to get for 7 days visa, papers, passport, paper, anything. Just to go somewhere near around Iraq, just to see my family, that's all.